Hey everyone, back again with another question from Bluebook Test 1. This time Math Module 2B again, the harder one, question 4. And we are going over a pretty fun question, I think. I like these types of questions, especially because, well, you'll see why. So let's start with it. If at 5 parentheses x plus 4 equals 4x plus 4 plus 29, what is the value of x plus 4? Okay, the fun thing for me, which I did in another problem recently, right, is that it's not asking for x, it's asking for x plus 4. So that's like a hint. What are we looking for? If we look at the answer choices, right, we have one negative integer and 3 positive integers. So it's going to be a whole number, which is nice. It tells me that the math itself, the arithmetic, probably isn't that complicated. And now we see, oh, there's x plus 4 in the actual question, right? So I could distribute, move everything around, solve for x, and then add 4, and that would be totally fine. You can do that. I give you all permission to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this whole unit, this 4x plus 4 unit, over to the left by subtracting by 4x plus 4, or 4 parentheses x plus 4. Right, and I'm going to subtract that on both sides. So now this side's also going to get subtracted, 4x plus 4. And we can treat that whole unit as something like 4y or something. So you imagine this was 5y and we're doing minus 4y. We get 1y, but instead of y, right, we have x plus 4. And then on the right, they go away, so we just got left with 29. And, well, you see it, it is C, 29. And that saves us the danger, because if x plus 4 is 29, right, x is 25. That saves us from saying, oh, 25, and going with that, right? It also saves us a lot of time of distributing, subtracting, and working it out that way. Because if we do it that way, it's just going to take much longer. So if you get it that way, that's totally fine. And I'm going to even show you how to do it that way. But I'm telling you, this is what you want to do. Okay, it'll save you time. So if you get that, you can move on. Bye. I'll see you next time. If you want to stick around and watch me work it out the long way, by all means. So 4x plus 4 plus 29, right? So we're going to distribute the 5 on the left. So we're going to get 5x plus 20 equals, we're going to distribute the 4x plus 16 plus 29. And that's going to give me 5x plus 20 equals 4x plus 45. And then I'm going to subtract by 20. Subtract by 20. And subtract, so I'm going to get 5x equals 4x plus 25. And now I'm going to subtract by 4x. Oops, going to run out of room here. Subtract by 4x, and then that's going to give me, I'm going to draw a little arrow. Oop. X equals 25, like we said, so then x plus 4 equals 29. And math's not that bad, right? But look at the first method. That was one step, basically, and I had it. And look at this method, right? Ugly. Ugly, ugly, ugly. So you can do it that way if you don't think of this x plus 4 method, but if you do think of it, that is really the best method. All right, so I'll see you all next time. And again, if you have any questions or comments, drop it in the comments and like and subscribe for more. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.